start video. It's about 85F, been driving for about 90 minutes. And yep, let's start up. Rattle. That rattle is the park brake cable hitting the exhaust. I gotta fix that. But there we go. Ammeter actually works. It's kind of useless because I've got a bypass on it, but voltage still does run to the interior circuit. So if I turn everything on and I put on the cigar lighter, you'll actually see it move, because that's the amplitude that's going through the interior. Not much, of course, because it's bypassed. Voltage, the voltmeter is a Harley Davidson piece made by Stuart Warner.